Is cold, and when he had that freezing water on the hands, yeah. So if, like me, you have teen or preteen boys, especially at home, that want to wear the shorts today might be the day to forego the shorts. It is not shorts weather outside today, even with the socks and the Crocs. 16 degrees in Philadelphia right now. Look at this, feels like temperature 5 degrees. Winds are out of the west, 8 miles an hour, so that wind is going to pick up actually once the sun comes up, and that means wind chills today no better than the teens. Clouds and radar right now, not much to show you currently, but coming up we're going to talk about a system that's going to bring another chance for accumulating snow on Friday. Let's talk about right now though. Today's high just 26 degrees. Keep in mind, up until now, the coldest high, though actually the coldest temperature we've felt all winter long, even lows, has been about 25, and that's roughly our high for today. Just shows you how much colder this is than anything we've experienced so far this winter. 27 at the shore and 23 in the Lehigh Valley. But here's what it will feel like today. This is brutal. Look at this. 4 p.m. 14 is about as best as we can hope for this afternoon. Now notice tomorrow we have dropped the next weather alert for tomorrow, and here's why. On a southwest flow, clouds are going to roll in, but it's not going to be anywhere near as cold. It'll be in the 30s, and it will feel like at least near freezing, so improvement for tomorrow. We're watching two areas with our next system. This is what I want to take you through here. We've got one area of kind of just a disturbance, what we call a trough moving in, an upper level trough moving in from the north and west, and then we're going to watch this coastal low start to develop as we get into Friday. So if you want a major nor'easter, what you want is this Arctic piece of energy, this Arctic trough from the north and west, to really just kind of phase or join forces with a low offshore. If these two join forces, that's when you get a major snowstorm. What it looks like with this one is that there will be some interaction with that upper level energy and that system offshore, but this is going to scoot further offshore. It will throw enough moisture back to produce snow across the area, but it doesn't look like it's going to be a major snowstorm. That said, if the interaction does become a little bit more notable, if the low is a little bit closer to the coast, we could see some locally higher snow amounts. So what are we talking here? This is another kind of nuisance snow. It's coming throughout the day Friday. It will likely start during the morning commute. So starting about 7 or 8 in the morning. So it doesn't start overnight. So that's a little bit concerning because you already have some buses out on the roads. You already have people starting their day. The snow starts and it's going to last through most of the day Friday, ending later Friday evening. Relatively quick hitting, relatively light snow amounts. We're looking at generally 1 to 3 inches across the region. Again, if the coastal low and the upper level low stay separated, we're looking at maybe a light inch or 2. But if we get a little bit more interaction, locally higher amounts, 3, maybe 4 inches are possible. Slippery roads, travel delays, cancellations will all be potential impacts with this Friday system. It is followed by a burst of even colder air. We think today's cold. Saturday might be even colder.
Now for our next weather forecast. Is it cold enough out there for you? Here's meteorologist Kate Bilo. It is brutal, Kate.
It is incredibly cold out there, dangerously cold, in fact, Janelle, across much of the region this morning. We started off with our coldest temperature since Christmas Eve of 2022, so over a year ago, and it's not going to get much better. Janelle, I'll send it back over to you.
All right, thanks.